Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix Pinterest login problem. For that, you can go to your App Store. Now here at the search bar, simply search for Pinterest. Now tap on it. Here now you can see I'm currently needing an update. This may be one of the reasons on why you are having problem logging in your Pinterest. So make sure to update it. Another way is go to your settings. Now at the search bar, simply search for iPhone storage. Tap on it. Now here you need to find the Pinterest application. Now you can offload the application. Simply tap on Offload App. Now you can see your application has been offloaded. Now simply tap on Reinstall Application. Now you can see that your Pinterest has been reinstalled. Now even after this, if you are having login problem, then you can simply tap on Delete Application. Simply delete the application and reinstall it once again. This might help you fix your login problem in your Pinterest. These are some of the ways how to fix Pinterest application login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.